Story Buddy Kid. Once upon a laundry day, in a warm and wobbly washing machine, lived a little pink sock named Lola. Lola had a best friend, her twin sock, Lenny. They always went everywhere together, in shoes, in drawers, and on cozy feet. But one day, oh! The washing machine went whir, sploosh, spin. And when it stopped, Lola was all alone. "Lenny?" she called. No answer. She wiggled out of the machine and rolled onto the floor. Thump! "I've got to find my twin," she said bravely. Lola slipped past a mountain of towels, tiptoed through a jungle of shirts, and climbed a tall tower of socks. But no Lenny. Then, what's that sound? Sniff sniff. Pant pant. Woof. It was the family dog, chewing on something pink. "Lenny!" Lola shouted. She leapt into action, zip, zoom, whoosh, and wiggled her way right out of the laundry basket. The dog dropped Lenny in surprise. Plop! "Don't chew my brother," Lola squeaked. Lenny smiled. "You saved me." The two socks hugged, in a very socky way, and rolled back to the laundry room, together. Back in the drawer, the other socks cheered. "Wow," said a striped sock, "you're not just laundry. You're legends." And from that day on, Lola was known as Lola the Brave Sock, finder of feet and saver of twins.